kule nkulumo yakho yonke owayikhuluma kukhona la owasho konti wo misani ukushisizwe yekani ukuyitapela
Kuqala nje engingakusho ngokahlonisi lo mbuzo uphenduliwe kade kukhulunywa la angani noma indlela beyigcwele ikhondokhona yini kodwa bengizokusho ke ukuthi mina lo mbuzo uphenduliwe ngezathu sokuthi ngasho ngathi mina ningashisi izwe lenu ningabulali izwe lenu nilishisela abantu abanebespecial.
Well, I think that has been answered right in this honorable court, because I remember very well when I said, don't ban your own country, and for the people who will be leaving your own country and fly away. I think that was where that was answered.
So let me read out an excerpt from the transcripts for the video. It was interpreted. In this democracy, there is no one who owns a firm of cement in this democracy. No one who is black who owns that firm. Is there a further which firm? Cement, your worship. Interpreter. Even though they elected those, they take those tenders back to the white people, even those who feed in the still in the schools, they run to the chain stores to get the supplies there because no one owns these businesses who is black.
Lapha ke ukaphuna inkulumo
From the transcripts, your worship, the interpretation of the video. Sorry, your worship, I'm not sure. He appears to have not given your worship a copy of the transcript because she was requested to do so. Thank you, worship, I'll do so. Your worship, we are talking about the transcripts dated the 6th of February 2023. It's all bundled together, your worship. And I'm addressing on page 22 and 23. Your worship, I've got a full transcript here that unfortunately is different chapters, but the last one I've got is stopped at page 43 of the postponement. I've got number. It's dated as per the date of proceedings, your worship. So the one I've got that I'm busy dealing with right now is dated the 6th of February 2023. Top. Right at the top. Thank you. Can you please also draw the copy you
Yes, I'm trying a bit of it. That's page 20.
Page 23. Yeah. Taking that comment into consideration, sir, is it calming the situation down or creating more incitement to say that the white people are stealing all, the white people own everything and the black people own nothing? What is your interpretation of that comment?
Can I have that so that I must be able to just make sure that I interpret that, because now that will be an interpreting what I interpreted. I think I have to have
it. It will be unfair to the accused, to the court, everybody. Is it possible we just have a short adjournment for the appeal clerks to put for another copy so that the witness can have an opportunity in the interpreter?
Bishop, and also, I'm not happy with that part. It's not a part and parcel of the evidence of the state of the case. Because for the witness who draw an inference from his opinion, he never read from this. He mentioned that in the state case when the evidence was used, that he draw inference from the speech where the narrator of the speech was saying that the people, they don't own the company. And he never mentioned that he came into the opinion based on that he was instigating about it. They are certainly mentioning categorically why he came into the conclusion, why he had that opinion, because of the word that was used as the kale and order, and another word that was used that people must fight up until the blood. Their blood cannot turn. But he mentioned the issue of blood on that one. That's where he came into conclusion that he accused was inciting violence. He never mentioned that in his when the state case was put.
Can I interpret that, Your Worship? Lapha ummeli kamsolwa uthi cha le eshuwa umshushisi ungathi isingena ngendlela engesiyona kwezomthetho ngani ngoba ufakazi owabopha ummangalelwa uma ebuzwa la enkantolo ukuthi yini le eyamenza ukuthi abone ukuthi lo uphula umthetho wathi azikhale ukuthi azikhale ngokwengqondo yakhe wabona ukuthi wayigqumezela udlame ngokusho njalo kanti ke nanokuthi futhi okunye akushoyo wathi kufanele abantu balwele inkululeko yabo noma kungaze kube khona ukuba okuvela kwegazi noma engasakhumbuli kahle ummeli kwakubeke kanjani kodwa akazange akhulume ngendaba yokuthi lokho sekushuwo umshushisi manje athi kwahunyushwa kususwa kumthwebulo bhanyabhanya enganguhumusha owakhulunywa ngolukandla bezitha mina ngokukhuluma ngesilungu ukuthi wayegqumezela udlame ngokuthi asho lawo magama lawo uthi ummeli kamsolwa lokhu sekufakwa ngendlela okungesiyona siyawulinda inkantolo ukuthi besinquma ke ukuthi ngempela ikuphi okuyikho phakathi kwakho konke.
Thank you, Worship. All law is clear. The evidence was admitted as an exhibit. It is evidence before the court. It is indeed so that the witness did not deal with that aspect, but it's still evidence before this court, Your Worship. Your Worship, the 174 application where the state set out its argument and the case laws, it is for this witness to explain the purpose. My learned colleague has been raising it all along, that it's a context that is important, Your Worship. The context and the interpretation. This deals with the context, Your Worship, and arising from the interpretation of the witness. Why created so? It is relevant, Your Worship, and it is not restrictive for the state not to cross-examine it on that point, Your Worship.
My ruling is that it is relevant, and this is the basis why the state is charging. The whole video was played, and they are saying, the state is saying that in order to save time, this whole comprehensive value was prepared for purpose of his reference. I mean, he is the author of the speech. So, because now we are talking about context, referring to context, because there's no direct word that says that as you are, as they are alleging. So, let him explain.
Yes.
What the situation. I think we can make a good progress.
Worship, I agree with that. But the content of the accused must put as a stand, not as if there's an evidence that was led by the state that suggested that by saying that he incited violence, there's no such. There's no evidence to that effect. That is my concern about my letter. The way he's putting it, you see, as if there was that evidence, he must withdraw that.
All right. I think you.
I'm not going to withdraw that, Your Worship.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying to say, look, you are the author.
Yes.
So what you say, what does it mean?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Worship. In the interest of justice, Your Worship, may I request you to have a short adjournment to print out the transcript Almost then goes in for the witness. It shouldn't take us too long.
I can show the witness my own. Of course, going on the phone. Witness can be shown taking my children. Yes, I'm taking now.
Sir, let me make it simple. As the author of that speech, what did you mean by that?
Ake sithi ke ndodana lapha into ebesikhuluma ngayo la ila besitolika khona ukuze uyizwisise kahle lento ithi njoba wawuthi wena abelungu seseyibona abangamele noma abaqoqobele umnotho ngaleyo ndlela ke wawusho ngayo wawuqonde ukuthini ebantwini uma ubatshela lokho na.
So you say paragraph 9.
That's correct. Please. Paragraph 9, yes, Your Worship. From page 23.
Dated 6.
That's correct. What do you mean by that, sir?
Wawuqonde ukuthini ngalokho?
Ngesingabe nje usaqhubeka lokungifunza nokungenza isiyinga uma ekhuluma kanje ngoba ucabanga ukuthi mina ngolibala oqala engizokusho ukuthi lo muntu owayeboshiwe ubaba umongameli wethu Jacob Zuma, the freedom fighter walwa wahlala ejele 12 years elwela inkululeko yomuntu omnyama ukuthi azuze izwe. Mina ngangivuselela ikhonkwane kubantu ukuthi bakhumbule ukuthi ukubaluleka kwalomuntu oboshiwe ngaphandle kokuquliswa icala ungani nento ayiboshelwe nento ayizabalazela asikayizuzi ngokuphelele. Nawe nje mshushisi ugqoka amajasi ufunda amaphepha uphethe amapeni enkantolo eyakhiwe ngezinto ezikhiqizwa ngabaqhakisana.
Ndodana isandla mangisiphakamisa ndodana phela fonele
abelungu kuphela abakhiqizayo ke lento.
ngilinde ndodana
Amanga lawo.
isandla ngilinde ndodana ngilinde in short, what I was doing, I was reminding the nation that the person that is being arrested is not just a simple person. He is a freedom fighter who has been incarcerated for about 12 years, fighting for the freedom. But that freedom, we have not yet received it.
Now I want to refer you to page 28 of the transcripts.
Ndodana ngizocela ukuthi ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siyiphathe kahle inkantolo uma kukhona engushile uyangikhumbuza bese ngitolika ikuphi mfana mengushile ngikhumbuze mfana ngizokutolika
ukuthi le nkululeko ayilwele baba kunezinto singakayizuzi nanokuthi yonke into nayigqokile namaphepha awafundayo akhiqizwa ngabamhlophe awumzungu nodakwazi abantu abamnyama. Ngisho abantu abamnyama into abayikwazi ukuyithola amathenda kuphela baphinde baye kwabantu abamhlophe. Angithi yena oyiqalile akayimeleke ngoba la fanele lazi ukuthi lo mbuzo angibuze wona fanele acacise ukuthi uthini ngoba kwakuzibongo nje bangithi bangibiza ngembongo kwakuzibongo ezichaza ukubaluleka kwalomuntu oboshiwe ukuthi ungani isikhala ngoba sazi ukukhalela wonke umuntu.
Sekulungile ke ndodana. Your Worship, the witness is feeling aggrieved that I did not say everything that he said. As an interpreter, I know how to interpret. We interpret the idea intended. Some of the words that are being said, sometimes as we have been taught at the college, that you must use respect and shonipa. We don't mention those words because we don't see it deem and fit to be said. But I will say it now as has been insisted. The witness further says that as you are wearing those gowns that you are wearing, they are being manufactured by the white people. And as you are having those papers that you are having, they are being manufactured by the companies that are owned by the white people. So the freedom that we were fighting for, it's not yet fully fledged to us as African people.
Now, sir, Can we look at page 28 of the transcript?
Asibheke la leli khasi ilo lesenibivulile.
You are there.
Line 17.
Asibukeke lapha uthi line 17 asambe nayo siwabale sithi siqala phi la.
As the author of the speech, can you please indicate what did you mean by that?
Line 17, because I've got 10 years, I've got 20 years, so wait.
Line 17 it starts with interpreter, so is now Zondo.
Yes.
Can you please explain to the court what did you mean by that?
So lana ke inkulumo leyo wawuyisho siyitolika lapho wathi khona manje ke uZondo uhlezi lapha ya ukhuluma ngendaba yokugwamandwa kombuso la bazifida bona bagcwalisa izisu zabo nemndeni yabo bathi ke bese uthi la ngalokho oqonda uthini asime lapho ngalokho oqonda uthini so besiqhubeke lokho ukuthi oqonda uthini ngalokho
angiqonda ukuthi uJudge uZondo uyena wakhipha isinqumo sokuthi baba aqhomondelwe akinatelwe.
I meant that Judge Zondo was the one who pronounced the verdict that our father must be incarcerated.
Ngaphekwa lokho uba uZondo isizathu sokuthi asishoyo sokuthi abophu baba uyingoba akazange ayilandele umqathango noma state capture.
The reason for him to pronounce that is because he did not follow the rules of the state capture.
Kodwa ngokwazi kwethu njengamehlo omphakathi sambona babefika lapha na wayesecela ukuthi uZondo unobudlelwane naye kude nokunye kuyimfihlakalo kodwa angazange
But then, as we were the eyes of the nation, we saw our father attending the state capture, and then he did mention or raise there that he have got a certain friendship with Judge Zondo, which dated very long ago, but that was never taken into consideration. Usukhulume okuningi ndodana angazi ukuthi la lapha akuthiwa khona and now I say the blood lokho usuqedile ngalokho lokho ukuthi manje ke ngithi igazi liyophalala emhlabeni noma ezweni bawubuzwa uJudge uZondo ngaleli gazi elilobekwa ezandleni zabo. Ngithi ke konke lokhu kufanele kubuzwe kuJudge uZondo ngalokho khona waqonda ukuthini ke ndodana.
Ingoba uZondo wasebenzisa amandla budedengu ngombono wami nangokwenkululeko yokukhuluma kwami njengesakhamuzi saseNingizimu Afrika.
I said that about Judge Zondo because according to my own seeing and thoughts and being a citizen of South Africa, I see that Zondo did not follow the right procedures.
Ngaphekwa lokho futhi ubaba uZondo ukuthi athathe lokho bengikusho ukuthi njengoba belapha nje abakhona lapho ukuthi bayavolunteer basemsebenzini we-state capture esikhoste i-country more than 1.8 billion.
And then also that I was saying, I was trying to tell that as they were there, Judge Zondo sitting at the state capture, they were not volunteering there. They were on duty, and that costed the state about 1.8 billion rands.
Okunye futhi okubalulekile ukuthi emveni ukuba sisithathile leso sinqumo.
What is important again, after he came to that conclusion or decision,
Umlando wakithi kwaZulu nokukhuliseka kwami nangokubuka kuphathwa kwezwe nokuhlonipha umthetho wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika abantu abaphethe umthetho bafana nobaba kithi.
So with the way I was grown up and the way I see things happening in South Africa and seeing now our country and the way things now were happening and those who are in charge of the law and those who are in charge in the country and those whom we regard them as our fathers.
njengoba sihlonipha imithetho yokusekela wenkantolo nenkantolo nje bihleli nje sihlonipha imantshi ingobaba wethu ingubaba wenkantolo.
As we are sitting in this honorable court, we have to respect our court as he is our father, as he in charge of this court.
Manje kangikwazi ukuthi masibe kumbono njengabantu abawumphakathi futhi abavotela abantu ukuthi baphathe babe semandleni okubaba uSirili kanye nobaba uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa kanye nobaba uZondo ukuthi ahlale kulesihlalo akusona ngoba sabuzwa njengomphakathi ukuthi siyamvuma yini.
Now I don't see it we were now derailing or we were moving away if we tell that those people, as we voted them as voters, like our president, Cyril Ramaphosa, as well as Judge Zondo, as he was appointed, they did ask us first if is he fit to sit on the chair.
Ingakho ke ngathi ke mina kuma konakala ekhaya ngomlando wethu kwaZulu ubaba obuzwayo ukuthi konakala kanjani ukhona ingakho ke lokhu ke abangibuza khona ngisho njalo.
So that's a reason for me to say what I said as you are asking me. Ndodana ungathi ususho okuningi manje phela lento engikhomse zona mina amalayini amanye.
Kodwa ngesizulu kuyanda.
Now, taking in exactly what you have just said now, sir, I would like you to comment on your speech again. I'm now referring you to the transcript of the 22nd of March 2023. Page number 2. And I would like you to comment on line 8 onwards up to the end of that paragraph. So from line 8.
I don't have 2 here.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to line 12. I don't know what it was given to me like this, I'm going to do this. But we have 3 bundles, one for your worship, one for myself, one for the people. It's called transcripts. I can help your worship. The first one I got is the 6th of December 2022, where the witness testified. That consists of then we got page 49, Your Worship. The first bundle is page 40 up to page 49. That's the evidence of the 6th of December 2022. Then the second one starts on the 31st of January 2023. That consists of 7 pages, is correct, Your Worship. The next one starts on the 6th of February 2023. That finishes off at page 42. Then we got the 22nd of March. That stops at page 43. It's the last portion of the classes.
And the 3 is 6 February 2023. The English. And 4 is 22 March 2023.
context of what you just said earlier, can you please explain to us what you meant on the transcripts is bundle 4, page 2, line 8 to 13. Line 8 to 13.
You say page 4.
Page 2, line 8, line 13.
Line 8, what does it say?
Interpreter, now the speaker is explaining. It is a transcript dated, sir.
This one? This one is only the charges that you prefer to the accused.
No, that's the wrong transcript,
Sorry.
sir. It is a transcript of the 2nd of April.
So,
So let's, I think we should just compare what we all have, so that when we do not encounter hiccups, I do have 4 bundles. So if you can compare what you have with what I have, but it can only be done to
You also got the same bundle as 4 as your worship. They also have 4.
I did.
4 bundles also given to them. It's the exact same thing that was given to all of
But
them.
I think we are now
Mixed up.
so yeah, just to give them the opportunity to compare, just to reorganize it.
That's fine, your worship. I'll try to make copies quickly of the transcript for this day. This is the last portion of the transcripts. And I'll give a copy to the defense as well too, and well for the interpreter to save time. And then adjournment of the quickly, your worship.
Can you agree on how long?
Your worship, it is 10 to 1. Can we have an early lunch, your worship, and come back maybe after 1 if suitable? Can we get indication for everybody? Of course, you. I see my state courses. Can I just get an indication from
yeah,
the
yeah. I mean, if you now you cut the lines now, it's normally an hour ish. I'm tired. I've been standing, remember?
Your worship, then can we start at 1:45?
Bishop, what is one that means what recording?
The 22nd of March.
You have
Might be mixed up. Let's adjourn the other number. Can we come back at 1:45?
I've got the 22nd.
1:45.
I've got the 22nd. I can't think of it. I've got the 22nd. I've got the 22nd.
Page number.
Page number 2. Joseph, I don't know if it's supposed to last time.
Let's deal with this one. I don't know if this start after you I've got this.
I'll stop it after that question. After that question. I think then, because it's fresh in his mind of his testimony, your worship, I think I agree with my colleague. Let him address us on that point. Sir, I'm going to repeat my question. Based on what you just testified earlier, can you please explain to us what you meant by line 8 to line 13?
So the question is based on the interpretation
Yes. What did you mean by that?
with all and until to the number 20 there.
From line number 8 to line number 13, where it says interpreter, now the speaker is explaining, up to the line where it says the president must be released.
Okay, let me just see. Okay. End of that. La. Suara. La. Lapha kuthiwa ke wawuchaza lapha ukuthi ke obaba bethu esibahloniphayo nabalwela inkululeko kulelizwe yabona lana ayiphelelanga, and this is incomplete here. They did not finish it up. Then bese bethi now la uyachaza ukuthi abantu bonke abalwa kulelizwe
to say that may I read it out here? And my interpreting interpreter. I see this in okay. Line 8 says, interpreter. Now the speaker is explaining that now these people, they fought for the country. And then, now for us, even whenever we are in this country, let us fight until we lose our head to make sure that Mr. President or the former president must be released.
Uthi lapha ke uma uthi wena nje bawuchaza ukuthi ke njengoba ke abalwili benkululeko noma abalwela lelizwe manje ke sekufanele ukuthi ke kuliwe nizinqamuka amakhanda kuze kukhululwe umongameli noma owayemongameli wezwe ngokusho kanjena koqondo ukuthini na
ngangiqonda ukuthi ubaba uZuma akhululwe ejele futhi lo mbuzo lowo ngicabanga ukuthi umfowethu ufike ngavunule la ufuna uncwadiswa yini mangabe ngikhuluma uyena bese ethi kuvuke isithize maminithini bese kuyele emuva ngiphendulile kade ngisabuza ummeli wami ukuthi yonke lento ayibuzayo iyayiqondene lapho.
Well, here I will answer that all I meant is that the former president must be released. And then also I would like to tell this honorable court why the state tries now to twist my words, because when my lawyer asked me this question, I did explain about this, that what I meant.
Njengosifakazi nje ukuthi ngikhumbuze ukuthi mina ngiyolibala ngiziyinga ngishilo lapho ukuthi mina lento leli gama lokulwa lempi alisho ukuthi abantu abasukume bahlobongele baqonela umhlaba ekulisho into eyodwa ingakho ngithi mina akaze ngibone manesi mina ebaleke ibhedlela makuthiwa khona umuntu olempilo yakhe ulimi lwakithi kwaZulu nokunokonda kwalo ngoba mawubhekele nokufusukulwa.
So I'll remember and reiterate that when I gave my evidence in chief, I did mention that the word fight does not mean only to fight. And I did even mention to this honorable court that even the nurses, when they say in hospital, this patient is fighting for his life, I don't see the nurses running away for that person because now they've now employed the word fight. But this word fight, here it was used to emphasize how strong it is. This must be happening.
So let me understand this, sir. So on the point while you're there, let us fight until we lose our head to make sure that Mr. President or the former president must be released. Is you are drawing the comparison to that of a nurse, if I understanding you correctly.
Manje ke uma sithi lapha silwe size sinqamuke amakhanda manje wena lokhu uqhathanisa nokulwa ulwela impilo esibhedlela na
uyafunisela yabona igundane elicashe emavuzeni leli ngithi mina namanje uma ethi umuntu ukuwe ikuthule lenkulumo ethi kuwe kubekela isigaba esithize noma into ethize embi noma enjani enhle eyisurprise umthelela imoto bese ethi ke I'm already dead kusho yena lowo muntu loyo. Don't kill the language that we speak every day. I'm already dead because the way I'm so happy, I'm already dead. You just surprised me. So we come here to court and explain that.
May the witness stop using language? He is elected to use Zulu, so can we, in order for the record?
Ummeli wakho ke uyakhuza ndodana uthi musa ukhuluma isilungu uthe wena ufuna ukukhuluma lokandaba ezitha manje ke hlala kolokandaba ezitha ngoba uma usokhuluma isilungu lokho kuyaxova irecord kungasezwakala ukuthi ubani okhulumayo kuzokusiza ke lokho ndodana ukuthi uma uphendula imibuzo phendula imibuzo ebuziwe musuke naba ndodana sifuna ukwazi ukuthi ulazi kangakanani ulimi akubalekile ngolimi la ekhaya okubalekile la ekhaya ukuthi lokho abakubuza khona uphendule khona vo kuphela uyabuza umshushisi uthi wena njengoba uthi nilwe nizinqini kwamakhanda lokho kusho ukuthini na phendula nje lokho
akusho ukuthi Zuma akaphuma ejele.
that I was referring that the former president must be released from prison.
Thank you, Worship. Based on the request by Mr. Nkosi, may we adjourn for lunch now, please?
Inkantolo wethi sizokuqa manje sizobuya ngokwara 2. Asume nonke inkantolo.
Ngitolile nje sakhona umshushisi.
Kunalapho
Ilatsha kayitoli ngoba 2 yena lapho kusiphila